I'm 37 years old. It's 2018 right now. So I came around in January of 1981. Got my first computer, a Timex Sinclair, when I was 2. Got a TRS-80 color computer when I was 5. Color computer 2. That's the stuff I was used to. My uncle. Imagine one day, I'm used to a color computer 2, and I go to my uncle's house, and he brought home a Macintosh II from his office. Now, this is the first GUI that I'd ever seen. I'm used to, 40-column display, whatever it was on the color computer 2. Then all of a sudden, this beast, he brings this beast home that's got graphics, it's got sound, and I was just absolutely enamored. So, this is the late 80s. I've always wanted a Macintosh II. I specifically wanted the IIfx. Now, the Macintosh II came with the Motorola 68020 processor at 16 megahertz, right? The IIfx, which was the flagship Macintosh II, came with the 68030 40 megahertz. Those are selling for a premium on eBay. Well, I found a 2 for sale for a very good deal. And I was like, you know what? I'm just going to start with that because I want it. And I'm, if you've seen from other videos, I'm into Apple, retro Apple right now. So anyway, the thing won't turn on. I think the power supply is probably shot. But I took the computer apart. And let me show you my surprise. I've gone ahead and it's been disassembled. Took the screw out. There's one screw that holds that case on, and then you got 2 clips. I went ahead, unscrewed the drive, the floppy drive assembly. And then this sweet, sweet Macintosh video card that apparently you can add. It looks like 72-pin Sims too. So, everything's still standard and everything right now. Then I noticed something. The motherboard says Macintosh IIfx. I was like, what? So I wondered. I was like, well, I've never been inside one of these. I don't know if all the motherboards said that. Didn't know. Then I got to this processor and discovered that this is the 68030 40 megahertz processor. At this point, I about went crazy. My wife thinks I'm insane because the IIfx is what I wanted. And while this is on the case, it says it's a 2, and I'm not an Apple expert. I'm just getting into retro Apple stuff. I've always been a PC person. But from what I can tell, this is all the internals of the IIfx, which to a nerd like me is exciting because the IIfx is what I wanted because you could deck it out. So I feel like a little kid at Christmas right now, and I don't know if I'm wrong or if I'm right. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to explore more, and eventually I'll figure it out. But for right now, I mean, chips don't lie, baby. Chips don't lie. That's not a 68020. That's a 68030. And I probably shouldn't be tapping. Okay. I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Comments, suggestions, knowledge that I don't have, please share.